Hey guys, welcome back. This is just a real quick video. I get a lot of questions about the products that I use on my locks, so I'm just gonna show you guys the basics. Pretty much, this is all I use. This is my go-to lock gel, the truth. My castor oil. I'm out of the coconut oil right now, but this is the mixture that I was telling you guys about in one of my last videos. But it has the coconut oil and this castor oil mixed in it, and the rest is water. And of course, my clips. And that's it. That's all I put on my hair whenever I do a retwist, when I decide to do it. That's all I use. Keep it simple. You don't want to put all of those products in your hair, especially if it makes your hair heavy and it gets clunky, and you don't want all of that. So keep it as simple as you can. Less products, the better. Again, I've been growing my locks for 4 years now. Let's let you guys see how it looks in the back. So yeah, it's been 4 years, and I tell you, I am in love with them. I'm probably gonna be coloring them very soon, and I'll have a video on that because, oh, let me tell you, when it gets long, the coloring process, if you do it yourself, same, you will need patience. But I'm gonna do a video on me coloring them also, because I gotta get my red back. I'm missing my red, y'all. But I told you I was gonna be quick. That's it. Like the video, subscribe to your girl channel for more content, and I'll see you guys next time.